Well, there you have it. Live visuals coming in right from outside the NCB office. Aryan Khan has just stepped out. The NCB now has questioned Aryan Khan along with a few others who've been detained from that cruise liner. In fact, a rave party was underway on that cruise liner, which the NCB officials say they had whiff off for a while now. Yeah, they laid a perfect trap, went in disguised as passengers and eventually cracked down on that cruise liner. We're looking at Shah Rukh Khan's son, who's one among those detained. In fact, these are live visuals coming in from right outside the NCB's office, where 8 people have been detained, including Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan. He's been brought in for questioning. Of course, they're going to be investigating further into what kind of role has he played in the drug bust. When we say a role, whether he's consumed drugs or he was hoarding it because his friends were caught with drugs in their shoes. In fact, that's exactly what the NCB says, that they suspect a lot more was hidden in baggages. Was Aryan Khan involved in that, or it was his friends alone? Did he consume any of it? All that and more is being investigated currently, and this is also Ayan Merchant, another high-profile detainee who's now being questioned. The visuals coming in of Aryan Khan, Ayan Merchant, who've been just taken into the NCB office for questioning. They've been questioned since last night. Remember, right after the NCB raids, they were brought out of that cruise liner ship and taken to the NCB office and questioned. This is the visual that we get here. They've just stepped out of the NCB office. A formal arrest will follow soon, as per reports, if at all they find that there has been. All right, here's the big news coming in. Shah Rukh Khan's son has now been arrested. Shah Rukh Khan's son has been arrested for taking part in that rave party and possibly even hoarding or even consuming drugs. This is the information that we get here. Of course, a formal confirmation from the NCB to come soon. But this is the big news that we're currently tracking. Shah Rukh Khan's son right now stands arrested. Here's Shah Rukh Khan's son, Ayan Khan, along with 8 others who were detained for allegedly hoarding drugs and even consuming. In fact, they were on that cruise liner ship. It was a full-blown rave party as per the NCB officials. And here are the visuals coming in of Ayan Mukherjee and Aryan Khan. They were in fact on that cruise liner, arrested. They were detained soon after questioning. Now they've been arrested. Here is Aryan Khan, an image of him right outside the NCB office. In fact, Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, was detained last night itself by the NCB sleuths who cracked down on that cruise liner, where they found that many of them were hoarding drugs in their luggages. And the NCB now has detained about 8 of them, among who is Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, who currently stands arrested. Here's the big news coming in that India Today is tracking. NCB now arrests Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, in the cruise drug case. Remember, this was a massive party that was to take place on that cruise liner. It was supposed to be a rave party, as per the NCB sources, that there were at least over 1,000 people and loads of them who entered that cruise liner with drugs in their luggages. Let me cut across to Devesh for more on that. Devesh, here we have the big news that we are tracking. Shah Rukh Khan's son now stands arrested. On what grounds, if you can elucidate exactly what was the reason for the NCB to decide that they want to arrest Aryan Khan?
Nabila, as of now, we've just got confirmation that Aryan Khan has been arrested. Few other detainees have also been arrested, but we are yet to get the exact number on who all other than Aryan Khan have been arrested. But Aryan Khan stands arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. We are yet to find out details regarding what are the sections that are of NDPS that have been applied against him. But yes, Aryan Khan stands arrested. He was being questioned since early morning today, and after that his statement was recorded. Remember, we had earlier also pointed out that arrest memo was being served to some of the detainees, following which some of the detainees have been placed under arrest. But Aryan Khan's confirmation, we've got the confirmation from NCB sources that Aryan Khan stands arrested. Few detainees were taken out from the NCB office right now, and it is suspected that they could be taken for medical. But as of now, we just have this confirmation that Aryan Khan has been arrested, and we are yet to get details regarding the sections of narcotic drugs and psychotropic substances, on what are the sections that have been applied, whether it is for possession, whether it is for consumption, or whether it is for possession of commercial quantity. That is yet to be known. NCB could issue a detailed statement regarding that, but as of now they are yet to issue any statement. But yes, this has been confirmed that Aryan Khan has been arrested. Nabila?
Well, Divyesh, we see visuals coming in from right outside the NCB office where Aryan Khan has been taken out. Where is he being taken to? He and who others are currently, along with Aryan Khan, we know that there are a few other high-profile detainees as well. Are they also do they also stand arrested right now?
Oh yes, Nabila, there are few other detainees who have also been arrested by the NCB. That is what we've learnt as of now from our sources in NCB. But the exact number is yet to be known on who all have been arrested. But Aryan Khan's arrest is confirmed by senior officials from Narcotics Control Bureau. The Zonal Director for Narcotics Control Bureau, Samir Wankhede, himself came downstairs, and after which these few detainees were taken out by the NCB officials. They could be taken for medical test to a court, to a government-run hospital nearby, but after that they could be produced in court. But as of now, Aryan Khan stands arrested. That is what is known. We'll get details regarding the other detainees in a short time. We are trying to get in touch with the NCB officials, but names are yet to be known on who are the other detainees who have been placed under arrest and what are the sections that have been applied against each of them. Remember, there are different sections which will be applied on different persons. Whether if drugs were found on the person in their possession, they'll be booked for possession of drugs. If they've consumed drugs, they could be booked for consumption. But as of now, details regarding that are yet to be known. But once that is confirmed, we'll be able to tell in detail on what are the sections that have been applied and what the concerned person has been booked for. But as of now, NCB has arrested Aryan Khan and a few other detainees. We'll get details regarding that as soon as possible. But as of now, 3 persons have been taken out from the Narcotics Control Bureau office, and it is suspected that they are being taken to a government-run hospital for their medical tests before they are produced in court. Nabila?
Well, here we see that these boys have been taken out of the NCB office. Possibly a drug test will also be conducted. I'd like to know what really happens with the organizers. We know this party was pre-planned. It was organized much in advance, and the organizers were there very much present, allowing all of them to come inside with their baggages. Of course, they should have checked and they should share all that responsibility at the moment. Why do we see the organizers not been brought to book as yet? Why have they not been arrested?
Nabila, as of now, what we've learned from the Director General of NCB, Mr. S.N. Pradhan, is that no one is being let out in this case. Each and every person who was part of the organizers, who was part of the event, is under scanner. There are various other guests, there are the various other patrons who had attended this particular party are under scanner of the Narcotics Control Bureau. NCB last evening zeroed in on around 20 of them, of which 8 were detained since morning. They were being questioned, after which raid was also being carried out at the Narcotics Control by the Narcotics Control Bureau in Belapur, Navi Mumbai. But the organizers remain under scanner, and NCB will take further action depending on what their role is, on what was their role, whether there was some lethargy in arrangement or lethargy in checking of their baggages of the patrons who arrived on the cruise cruise, or whether they were part of the rave party, whether they had indeed organized the rave party, that is yet to be found out. So once the details
लोग
are
ऐसे
clear
हैं
regarding that,
जो बड़े-बड़े परिवारों से जुड़े हैं, हाई प्रोफाइल परिवारों से जुड़े हैं, इसलिए भी यहाँ पर
Divesh, stay with us. Let me quickly cut across to Sahil Joshi as well, joining us more on that. Sahil, here you have all focus and all eyes on Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, who's now arrested. Now, whether he was consuming or hoarding drugs, that needs to be established as yet. But here are the organizers who are still scot-free. They're being questioned, but no arrest as yet. All focus seems to be on the Bollywood star's son. What happens to the rest of them who organized this party?
Well, the people who organize the party, if they are involved in organizing the drugs as well, they are going to be in a big problem, because that is what the NCB is trying to find out. The NCB would ideally like to take a remand of all these accused, all the 8 accused who have been arrested in this case, to know from where they had got these drugs, which was confiscated from few of them when NCB conducted raids and found these drugs in their baggages. So obviously first they would like to know from where they have got these drugs, because if these drugs are not in a commercial quantity, then these accused under NDPS Act, they are likely to get bail. But it all depends how the NCB takes forward their investigation. But of course they would like to know from there where they have bought these particular drugs, and who are the one behind trafficking of these drugs, selling of these drugs, and people working behind it. So obviously these are the people are going to be important for NCB, and specifically the organizers, because the cruise liner in the statement have made it very clear that their cruise had not organized any of such party, whereas other than these 10 people, nowhere the drugs were found, and these 10 people, the 10 people were offloaded from the cruise. Out of these 10 people, 8 people were apprehended by NCB, and they were questioned the whole day, and finally they have been shown arrest. They will be now they have been taken for medical checkup, which is mandatory before taking them in front of the court. But today being a holiday, the holiday court is already off, but we'll have to see whether they will be produced via video conferencing, which was the practice earlier as well. So we'll have to see that. But that is what it looks like right now, that they will be produced in the court. The NCB is likely to ask for their remand to know more about other involvement of others. 3 names are coming forward who are from Delhi and are in the hotel business as well. They also own some hotels in Mumbai. They are running some hotel businesses in Mumbai as well. So these are the people likely to be behind organizing these parties. So obviously NCB would like to investigate and interrogate those people as well. But before that, these 8 people will be taken into NCB remand. At least the NCB will try to take them into their remand and question them with respect to from where they procured the drugs which were confiscated from their baggages.
Well, Sahil, this event was organized by this event organizers called Namaskray and Krayak. It was a massive event, a DJ lineup with DJs from across the globe who were flown in only for this 3-day party, which was supposed to be day-long and night-long. One can only imagine that there could have been drugs involved. The owner of the cruise liner should have been a lot more vigilant. The organizers who were filtering the crowd should have been a lot more vigilant. How did this kind of stash even enter the cruise liner and manage to, they allowed them in despite taking a ticket price of close to 87,000 rupees per head. So that's the big question. A massive day-night long party was organized, but they had no, in fact, they had no responsibility or were not alert enough to actually check baggages of people who were entering that cruise liner.
Well, that is one of the aspects which, of course, NCB would be investigating into. But right now, when they had a specific information, because the information what we have is that they had this tip at least 15 days before this party was organized. And normally such kind of parties are organized through internet. The invites are sent through internet. The cruise liner was anyway going from Bombay to Delhi, and they had already organized a lot of programs on board that particular cruise. But this particular group was also organizing this particular rave party and have been calling people to come on the cruise, is what the NCB suspects at this point of time. And the organizers are 3 people from Delhi, is what the NCB sources are telling us. What you have pointed out is definitely what NCB's area of interest is, and they would definitely look into it as well. They have not given clean sheet to anybody. It's just that they conducted raids yesterday afternoon, and since then these raids were going on, and finally in the night they found that they found the narcotic substances in the baggages of these 8 people, and that's why these people were offloaded. Not directly in these 8 people, but the people related to in this particular group at least. So that's why these 8 people were offloaded from the ship. There were 2 more people accompanying them. Then those 2 people were released by NCB, and then rest of the 8 people have been questioned since morning, and finally they have been shown arrest now. So obviously this is the beginning of the investigation. The case has been registered here. So obviously all the other aspects which you were also mentioning will definitely be looked into. But right now what they would like to know is that the quantity which has been confiscated from these people, even if it may not be a commercial quantity, it may be for the consumption, but still that quantity had reached to them, and how it had reached to them, whether they were hiding it and then they boarded the ship, or somebody from the ship actually helped them to get and procure.
Right. If there were peddlers on board that ship, also needs to be investigated. But Sahil, please stay with us. We have some more information that we get here as we break this news. Some inside scoop coming in on Aryan Khan's arrest by the NCB. NCB claims that they found MDMA, cocaine and hashish that were recovered from all the arrested accused. Aryan Khan will be taken for medical examination. The NCB also now to seek custody of Aryan and all other accused. NCB currently wants to confront Aryan Khan and other accused with drug peddlers. But here we believe that the NCB has recovered drugs such as cocaine, MDMA, hashish from all of the arrested. And in fact, the poster boy of this case here, Shah Rukh Khan's son, Aryan Khan, is going to be taken for medical examination. The NCB is now all set to seek custody of Aryan and other accused, and they want to confront Aryan and other accused with the drug peddlers. Divyesh, for more on that. Divyesh, here is the NCB who claims that they've recovered cocaine, MDMA, hashish. What quantities have they recovered? Any word on that? And where did they recover this from? Was it from their baggage, or did they have it in their pockets? What exactly happened? How did they recover this kind of stash?
Nabila, remember NCB officials had a specific tip-off that some of the patrons who were attending this party were carrying drugs with them. That is why a search operation was carried out. A small amount of drugs were found in possession of few people, few detainees who've been placed under arrest, while some of the drugs were found in their luggage following the search operation. Following this, there were several people who were detained. Around 20 persons were detained last evening, but as of now 8 people, NCB has officially confirmed that 8 people including Aryan Khan were detained. They were being questioned, and only after their questioning got over, few people have been placed under arrest, including Aryan Khan. Once that is clear, once the source of drug is clear, there could be further action that could be initiated against the suppliers, against the peddlers who supplied drugs to them. Also, it will be NCB will try to focus on the supply chain, on who were supplying these drugs, who were the people involved in supplying of the drug cartel. Nabila?
It's still very surprising that none of the organizers have been brought to book there, Divyesh, because we know that this is the event was organized by this organizing event company called Namaskray and Krayak. They're big event organizers. They've brought Hollywood celebrities in the past to India. They've had DJs, international DJs coming down, flying down all the way only for this event. And it was a day-long, night-long event. 3 days of non-stop music that they were supposed to be playing on that cruise ship. And none of them have been called in or investigated or checked.
As of now, Nabila, the organizers remain under scanner. They have been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So everyone who was part of this party or everyone who's involved somewhere or the other remains under scanner of the Narcotics Control Bureau, because see, there's drug that has been seized from the ship, from people, from their luggage. So these event organizers, they will be questioned. Their statements will be recorded by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Remember, the captain of the ship has been summoned. The organizers have been summoned. Company officials have been summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So no one is off radar as of now. Everyone remains under scanner for this particular party, for this suspected rave party that was busted by the Narcotics Control Bureau on the Cordelia cruise liner. And now we know that few people have been arrested. Aryan Khan has been arrested. There could be action following this. Remember, in the Sushant Singh Rajput case also, we saw that there were multiple action which went on for months. A total number of 33 people have been charge sheeted following several months of the case being registered. So this could go, the investigation could go on for a long time, because there are sections under NDPS which allows the charge sheet to be filed within 180 days of time. There could be a long investigation after that. There could be multiple suspects who are part of this supply chain for the drugs, who all could be booked, who all could be arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau. So no one is off radar as of now. No one is off scanner. Everyone who was part of this party or was somewhere or the other involved directly to this party could be questioned and could face consequences if their involvement is found into this rave party that was busted. Nabila?
Right, let me cut across to Sahil Joshi as well. Sahil, you did mention to us that the NCB had received a tip-off and they were planning on raiding this ship for at least 15 days before this event took place. Now, if that was the kind of information and intelligence reports they got, this ideally should have been a much larger nexus. But eventually it came down to few Bollywood celebrities like Shah Rukh Khan's son and barely about 8 others who've been detained. What about the rest of them? If this was a pre-planned massive show that was supposed to take place, eventually it came down to consumers. Who organized this? Who exactly initiated this massive rave party?
Well, that is something which, as I was mentioning even earlier, that is something which NCB will definitely need to answer, because they had a specific tip about this particular group will be on board and will be having such kind of a rave party. They will be they will be carrying some narcotic substances along with them, and that is the reason why the NCB officials, they had this specific tip from Delhi, and that's why the Delhi NCB, along with the West Zone run by Samir Wankhede, who is a zonal director here, along with his team, they were already present on the ship. And when they realized that the ship is going to sail, they immediately started conducting the search operations on board ship, and that is the reason why a lot of people were not allowed to board the ship, and the whole outcry we saw yesterday night, that a lot of people had to they could not board the ship even in the night. After that, after searching, they found that only this group of around 8 people who actually had those substances with them, or at least the person they are accompanying with. So that's why these people were offloaded. The question which you are raising is absolutely right, and it looks like that the NCB will have to go deeper into this, because right now it is part of the consumption racket, that these people were part of the consumption of these particular narcotic substances, whether it is MDMA, ganja, or charas, or cocaine. But who was behind it? Whether somebody from within the ship knew about it, whether the organizers who organizes big events were part of it. We had seen earlier in last year when the NCB was looking into the Bollywood drug nexus. That time, a lot of people from the organizing companies, the event companies which organizes events for various Bollywood celebrities, were also called in for the questioning. So, the whole probe is going to go wider. There is a separate FIR in this particular case. So obviously this particular probe is going to go wider. What we know at this point of time is how exactly did the Narcotics Control Bureau pull off this whole drug bust. It's something what we know. And let me tell you this. What they know is that the NCB was aware of this luxury cruise party. They set up an elaborate trap, and the operation began around 1 p.m. On October 2nd, that is in the afternoon. 25 NCB officers like Delhi and Mumbai NCB officers were there on board, and then they suspected that there are people who must be having these narcotic substances, and that's why the search operations happened. The information was searched, and various drugs like MDMA, ecstasy, cocaine, MD and charas was recovered from them. That is something what we know at this point of time. And this luxury liner which was raided has come out in a statement which I was mentioning, that the statement clearly says that they have nothing to do with it. But obviously the NCB would definitely like to know whether is there anything more to that. They will definitely be questioning them. What is their mechanism of searching people who are boarding the ship? Is there any security apparatus to know whether they are carrying any contraband substances, whether it is narcotics, explosives or anything else? Do they have proper scanners that such kind of things can be avoided? All these things will come under scrutiny, and all these things will be definitely interrogated and investigated.
Right. Here, of course, we understand that there were thousands of people on that cruise ship, Sahil. It was a massive crowd inside, we believe, close to 1,500 odd or maybe more, and about 500 odd people waiting outside that cruise liner wanting to enter. In fact, many of them put up social media messages accusing the organizers of overbooking, despite taking money to the tune of 57,000 for few tickets. Some of the tickets were close to 87,000 rupees for one ticket. So they've taken the money but not let them in. Many of them standing out accused the organizers of overbooking. So it appears that this was a massive chaos that took place even before that ship took off. So for that kind of crowd to be entering that ship, they should have had some mechanism to check and filter those unscrupulous elements before that ship took off. The liability falls almost entirely on the organizers, undoubtedly.
Well, of course, and that is the reason why NCB, even if they have allowed the ship to sail, but still they think that the investigation should be wider. But today, the day will go into understanding from where these contraband substances, the narcotic substances which have been confiscated from these people, have been, from where they have got it. Right now, what we are hearing right now is that 3 people are officially put under arrest at this point of time. There are Aryan Khan, Munmun Dhamecha and Arbaz Merchant. Arbaz Merchant is supposed to be very close to Aryan Khan. He was accompanying Aryan Khan on this trip, and Arbaz is the one, what the sources are telling at this point of time, that he's the one who was found with the narcotic substances, and Aryan was with him at that particular time. So that's why even Aryan Khan has also been put under arrest. We have not yet confirmed from NCB whether he was found in consumption or he was found in carrying the narcotic substances. But right now, these 3 people, Munmun Dhamecha, Aryan Khan and Arbaz Merchant, have been placed under arrest, and they have been taken for the medical. Rest of the people likely to be arrested soon, and the procedure is on at this point of time.
Right. Sahil, we'd really like to know what kind of drugs have they seized from these arrested? What quantity have they seized? Any word on that? On where did they find the drugs from? From their baggages or their pockets? We believe from Arbaz's shoes they managed to recover something. Where exactly did they find the drugs on them? And how did they realize that this was the bunch who really were possibly hoarding drugs and maybe even consuming them?
Well, what the NCB officials told is that it was not easy to found the quantity there, because they were hiding it somewhere, and that is the reason why the search operation took some time, and that is the reason why the whole ship was stranded for such a long time at the Mumbai harbour. Then after the long search operation, finally in the night at around 9:30. The NCB came out with a story that they have apprehended some people and they will be deboarded from this particular cruise, and then they were taken to NCB at late in the night, around 11:30, 12. They were taken to the NCB office in Mumbai. So it was a long process. They were hiding it in their baggage. They were hiding it in some camera bags. They were hiding it somewhere, under their bags. So it was pretty difficult for them to find out the substances which they had hidden along with their baggages. So that's why right now what I can say is that we don't know whether it is a the number of narcotic substances which have been confiscated, is it a commercial quantity or it is not a commercial quantity? Because that is the way the investigation will move on. If it is a commercial quantity, then the person who was having that commercial quantity with him will be booked by the strictest sections. But if it is a non-commercial quantity, then the NCB's probe will go further and they will try to find out from where the person has procured or bought those narcotic substances, who had supplied them these narcotic substances, who were the peddlers, and from where they were procuring.
Well, so I'll stay with us. Let me cut across to Divyesh as well for more details on that. Divyesh, of course, the cruise liner was stopped by the NCB. These 8 of them were deboarded. Now, what happens with that entire cruise liner and that event? Does it stand cancelled?
इस वक्त वापस आ रहे, चलिए हम उनको फॉलो करने की कोशिश करेंगे। सही जी 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 सही।
Here is Pankaj, who's tracking those developments right beside the NCB office where Aryan Khan and a few others who've been arrested have been brought to a medical test. He's just towing the vehicle of the NCB there. They've been taken in for a medical test, and this will of course reveal whether they consumed drugs at that cruise liner, if there is any trace at all, and then based on that further investigation will continue. Here's the visual coming in. Let me cut across to Divyesh. Divyesh, it appears that Aryan Khan and a few others who've been arrested have been taken in for medical tests. Take us through the procedure. What happens after this?
Nabila, this medical test is done before the accused persons who are placed under arrest are taken or produced in court for their remand. So each and every time any arrest happens, the accused before they are being produced in court, they are taken to hospital where medical test is conducted, where the doctor states of their well-being, whether they are fit or not, whether they are unwell or not. Once they are certified fit by the doctors over there, the accused are then taken to the court where they will be produced under various sections, whatever sections the Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substances Act sections which will be applied against them. They'll be produced for that in front of a court, in front of a magistrate, where NCB officials could seek their further custody so that they could interrogate them further, try and find out the details of the persons who provided them with the drugs, who all were the other persons who were involved into this particular rave party that was planned, who all were the other people who knew about this party, who knew about the supply chain of these drugs. So NCB as an agency, as a drug enforcement agency, always focuses on nabbing people who are part of the supply chain, including the kingpin. So this probe will go further. This is not going to stop at this. They'll further probe and try and reach the kingpin so that the supply chain is cut off, the complete supply chain is destroyed, and the city or the state is made drug-free. As of now, 3 people have been arrested, that is Arbaz Merchant, Munmun Damecha and Aryan Khan, who have been arrested, and they will be produced in court. We'll soon come to know whether they'll be produced to video conferencing or they will be produced later after that. But as of now, they've been taken for medical. That is what we learn from our sources in the NCB, from the sources in Narcotics Control Bureau. Remember, this was an elaborate operation, as Sahil pointed out. This was an elaborate operation which was carried out by the Narcotics Control Bureau. It took planning of almost a fortnight after receiving the specific input that a rave party was being planned, which was being planned on a cruise liner. This rave party was supposed to happen mid-sea. Following this, NCB officials along with CISF personnel, we'd spoken to a senior NCB official this morning who told us that NCB had sought help of CISF personnel while carrying out this operation, and with the help of CISF personnel, they boarded the cruise liner, posed as passengers, waited there for a few hours, and only after they realized that they came to know that drug consumption had started. Few people had started consuming drugs or had carried drugs onto the ship. They started their search operation. They started rounding off people. Several people were rounded up by NCB officials. Few were allowed to go last night itself, while 8 to 10 of them were detained. This morning, 8 of them were being questioned, including Aryan Khan, and of those whose involvement came to light, came to the fore, NCB officials have now placed under arrest. Further, more arrests could happen very soon as the probe is still on. NCB officials are also conducting raids at various places. We know of one such location at Belapur in Navi Mumbai. This movement over here, there could be another vehicle that could have been brought in. There's a police vehicle coming to the NCB office, to the Narcotics Control Bureau office. Remember, police has deployed several personnel near the Narcotics Control Bureau office.
Divesh, what happens to the cruise liner event? It stands cancelled, I'm assuming.
As of now, the event stands cancelled, the event that was being planned, because we saw on social media that several people who had booked their tickets for the cruise liner had been stating that they couldn't board the cruise liner. They had paid a lot of money for these tickets, but they couldn't board this cruise liner. There are several such events planned by the cruise liner. It will only depend on the further investigation whether NCB allows them to operate or not, because remember, DG NCB has clearly stated that they have contacted the Shipping Corporation of India and also the Maritime Forum regarding this particular incident that has happened, regarding this particular rave that was happening on the ship, on board this ship. So it could further depend on what action is being initiated against the cruise liner. As of now, there is no such action being initiated against the cruise liner, but it could happen very soon. Nabila?
All right. Stay with us, Divesh. We're going to continue tracking those developments. As of now, Aryan Khan, Shah Rukh Khan's son, has been taken in for some medical tests along with a few others who've been arrested. But Sahil, here we know that the 3 of them who've been arrested are taken in for medical tests. But it appears that, as per Divesh and your report, that this was a massive, elaborate operation which the NCB carried out. Took a couple of days of planning, a huge trap that they laid out. Eventually came down to arresting just 8 of them, or rather arresting 3 of them and detaining about 8 of them. It's very surprising that this massive rave party, the entire responsibility boils down to 3 consumers.
Well, we can only say that NCP had got a tip off that few people were going to consume the narcotic substances there, and there will be narcotic substance available when this party will be there, and that is the reason why they had conducted a raid. Now the outcome of the raid is what we know at this point of time in the form of 8 detainees, and out of that 3 people have been arrested for having the narcotics substances along with them, and of course consuming them. So that is the reason why they have been placed under arrest, is what we believe at this point of time. The rest of the people eventually will be arrested, is what the NCB sources are telling us. The procedure is already on, as was mentioned by Divesh. But now the nexus, it's something which the NCB will have to dig up. What it looked like last year is that they were on the massive hunt on the narcotics, kingpins and the narcotics nexus in Mumbai. But what it looks like now also, that the nexus still exists, and that is the reason why such kind of, the procurement had happened. In this, it's not only from Mumbai, but also people from Delhi are involved apparently, and that's what the NCB sources have told us, that the organizers were from Delhi, and they are also under scanner and under radar at this point of time. They will be called for questioning, and if they were found that they were also part of this nexus, they were actually calling people to be part of this party by promising them that they will be supplied with the narcotic substances. Any of the people who have been arrested, whether they were the people who were having the narcotic substances, and they would have supplied it if the party would have happened. In all these things, none of the answers which NCB has given right now. The only official statement which NCB has given till now is in the morning at around 10 o'clock, and in that sent that statement also. They had only mentioned that they had found these narcotic substances and 8 people have been detained, and now the procedure is on. So I think we'll have to give some time to understand at where this goes. But of course, what it looks like that what the tip they had of the massive rape party finally has come down to the 8 detainees who had some narcotic substances with them. And Aryan Khan, of course, is a big name in Bollywood because he's a celebrity kid. He's a son of biggest star in India. And that is the reason why this story is being discussed so much. That is something which we can definitely say at this point of time.
All right. Sahil, do stay with us. Here's the cruise liner ship that was busted. It had about 1,500 odd people on the ship who were taking off for a massive 3-day voyage, musical voyage as promised by the organizers. It was said to be a rave party. Now, as per NCB officials, that rave party has been called off and 8 of them have been detained, including Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan. A few other high-profile arrests right now who've been taken into custody and their medical tests are currently being carried out. We're going to continue tracking those details.